Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, T-Bird Stacking. Now back to the post office. It's Monday. I'm gonna check out the post office box. Oh, look at that! I got some mail. I know what that is. Paycheck from work. Woo! And I immediately know what that is. Oh my! That has 3D Woodworks written all over it. Stay tuned, everyone. I'm gonna open that up a little later on, do a video. Alrighty, please like, comment, and subscribe. T-Bird out.